Hello, friends. Welcome to Sociopath, everything about sociology and academics. So, I'm your host, Arpita. I'm currently pursuing my master's in sociology from JNU, and in this video, we will talk about general tips and tricks to how we will approach UGC NET. And I've got a perfect guy for us who can talk about, and he is Vatsal, who secured All India Rank 2 in the previous examination conducted by UGC NET. So let's talk to him.
बहुत भयंकर फॉर्मल था यार तेरा
Oh,
इंट्रोडक्शन या
okay. So yeah, give us the ideas.
व्हाट आइडियाज व्हाट डू यू वांट टू नो अबाउट या देयर इज ओनली 20 days left नो
Yeah, there's only 20 days left, so I want you
तूने करी तैयारी
to.
शक्ल पे लिखा हुआ आंसर
Anyway, so yeah, tell us in these 20 days how we should approach your way.
okay so I think 15 days is a good enough time if you have your basics in place if you don't have your basics in place तो फिर मुश्किल काम है ना if you have your basics in place then this is the time to go fast and furious spend as much time as you can to revise all that you have done number one number two do PYQs यार क्योंकि जो मैंने देखा है about 50% of the paper is a repetition
Okay.
of the previous year papers so जहाँ से भी मिलते हैं I think there are places where you get 2000 से लेके अभी तक के पेपर्स है ना गेट ऑल ऑफ देम सोशियोलॉजी के जो भी सवाल आए हैं है ना और जिसमें भी नहीं आ रहा आंसर नहीं समझ आ रहा जस्ट गूगल इट चैट GPT इट है ना उसके छोटे छोटे नोट्स बना लो एंड कीप रीडूइंग इट है ना I think that's the way to go about it. If I be honest, that's how I did it, like मैंने एक बार पहले कर लिया था पूरा सिलेबस एंड देन 15 days before the exam I did nothing else except net. Yeah, I think that's what works out because it's a factual exam, no? There are a lot of facts and the way you can learn facts is like you learn dialogues for a play, है ना? You do not learn dialogues for a play by stretching it over 6 to 8 months कि धीरे 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 मैं थोड़े थोड़े करूँगा. Dialogues for a play are learned जब you practice every day, है ना 10 to 15 days लगातार. And when you practice every day वो खुद ही रट जाते हैं. And it won't be easy. After a time it becomes like drudgery कि यार ये क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं same cheese over and 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 over and
Okay,
over
okay,
and
okay.
so you unfortunately have to do that because that's the process.
Okay.
That's what I think will work
For
over and over and over and over.
okay.
Yeah.
So
Over and okay.
over and out.
Okay, yeah.
So that's what his way is, है ना? So is there any other ways that what मतलब लोग अगर नहीं ढूंढ पा रहे हैं PYQs तो या give us some sources कि कहाँ से वो कर सकते हैं
Okay.
and also elaborate कि like alternatives of your strategies भी.
Okay. Alternatives. See, given कि सिर्फ 20 दिन बचे हैं ना, I don't know about alternatives. If you have a better strategy in place, I think you should back yourself up, है ना? Do you have a strategy in place?
I'll try to find.
Okay, good luck with that. But yeah, you should back yourself up, है ना? I think that's one of the best ways to go about it. बाकी sources की जहाँ तक बात है, I found a PDF अंतरा चक्रवर्ती मैम के ग्रुप पे जिसमें बहुत सारे PYQs थे बट उसमें आंसर्स गलत मार्क थे सो माइंड यू काफी सारे लगभग सारे
Okay.
है ना सो मतलब शुरू में तो मैं कर रहा था है ना जो मुझे नहीं आते थे बट बाद में आई वाज लाइक अरे ये क्या है ये तो गलत है सो आई टू रीडू इट अगेन
Okay.
सो बी केयरफुल विद दैट है ना बी केयरफुल विद द आंसर्स क्योंकि कई बार ये PYQ वाली जो बुक्स भी होती है आई डोंट नो अबाउट द बुक्स बट इफ यू गेट अ बुक be careful about the answers. Google करना, chat gpt का भी be careful, because even chat gpt is like a human being in a way. It's not good with facts.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it for this video. We will delve more into what will be our strategies for paper 1 and paper 2 in our upcoming videos. So stay with us and over and out.
चल तू भी पढ़ ले अब.